Arteries are blood vessels that carry blood rich in oxygen throughout the body. Healthy arteries have smooth inner walls and blood flows through them easily. Blockage in arteries result from a buildup of a substance called plaque on the inner walls of arteries. Arterial plaque can reduce blood flow or in some instances block it altogether. Blocked arteries greatly increase the risk of heart attack, stroke, and even death. Causes. Although the exact trigger of clogged artery is unknown, but it begins with the damage to the inner wall of the artery caused by high cholesterol, hypertension, or cigarette smoking. Over the time, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances accumulate in the wall of artery and form fatty deposits called plaques. The narrower artery opening limits blood flow. These plaques can burst, causing a blood clot to form. Symptoms: stroke, dizziness, leg pain, chest pain, shortness of breath, heart palpitations, weakness or dizziness, nausea, sweating. Herbs. Number 1. Terminalia, arjuna. Arjuna is herb of choice in all heart problems. Whenever there is any health issue regarding cardiovascular system, first herb comes in mind is arjun. Bark of Terminalia, arjuna, consists of fridalian, arginine, arjunosides, argininin, arginitin, arginolic acid, olenolic acid, etc. It's packed with anti-inflammatory, blood purifier, antioxidant, and nourishing properties. Arjun helps to clear channels and throws toxins out from the body. It can be taken in decoction form or powder or capsules for easy convenience. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic can prevent and treat plaque buildup in the arteries, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots. The main active components of garlic, called allicin and ojan, are responsible for preventing blood clots by reducing the thickness of blood platelets. Number 3. Guggul. Guggul helps to lower high cholesterol levels, thus reducing plaque buildup in the arteries. Guggul has been most effective at lowering cholesterol. Consuming Guggul can significantly improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels in people and hence prevent the artery blockage. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains active compound called curcumin that can prevent blood platelet coagulation and help arteries to get rid of plaque formation. In additional medicine, turmeric has been used to strengthen the blood vessels. Turmeric's strong antioxidant actions can protect LDL cholesterol from being oxidized, thus lowering blood cholesterol and preventing plaque buildup. Number 5. Ginger. Ginger root reduces platelet thickness and help clear arteries of plaque. Taking either dry ginger or fresh ginger can affect blood platelets. Ginger contains more than 12 antioxidants and can help reduce serum cholesterol levels, improve circulation, and lower the risk of blood clots, thereby preventing artery blockage. Number 6. Hawthorn. Hawthorn has been used in traditional medicine to treat cardiovascular disease. It prevents plaque formation in arteries, lower high cholesterol, and lower high blood pressure. The polyphenols called rutin and quercetin in hawthorn have antioxidant properties that can improve cardiovascular health and stop plaque buildup. Hawthorn also helps regulate the heartbeat, dilate blood vessels, and decrease peripheral vascular resistance. Hawthorn is found in most herbal remedies for treating hardening of the arteries, angina, and heart weakness. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with other people you care.